Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Fun Tech Reviews here. Today we're going to be testing the Dreame D9 on hardwood floors. Seeing how well it does in this pickup test, it's going to be set to standard mode only and one cleaning run. I'm going to put down some dog food and we'll get started. Alright, so as you can see I have 1 full cup of dog food here. We're going to set this down, spread it out, and see how well this unit does. Alright, so as you can see I spread around the dog food just kind of all over the place on the hardwood floor here. Let's see how well it does. Alright, here we go, let's get started.
Will continue the cleanup.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at
Alright, so here's everything it picked up. As you can see, it picked up quite a bit, but it struggled quite a bit with the side brush kind of flinging everything around. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.